Tashi Delek, I'm Renalini Nigde. I'm from Mumbai and we are from Millejam Selling Center.
I feel today is very auspicious day for us. Also, I feel we are very fortunate because we got such an opportunity audience with the Holiness 14th Dalai Lama, especially today's with all our member together audience with the Holiness 14th Dalai Lama. Therefore, I can say this day is memorable.
Today we met His Holiness the Dalai Lama as his audience and the experience is beyond words and deep gratitude to the founder Venerable Lobsang Tenzin. We are very fortunate that we were able to meet His Holiness.
Today is the 14th of February 2025 and we had an opportunity for an audience with His Holiness. So here all the Sangha and I have come and it was quite profound to see His Holiness today and see the impact that he has on people. So it's like a ripple effect.
I practice meditation and it's always good to get inspiration from teachers. And His Holiness is like the ultimate teacher that I know of and look up to. So today morning we went to Kashi Lumpo Monastery here in Bailakuppe. And as for speaking about the experience, I don't think I can put it in words, just like, to be this close to His Holiness, holding his hand. My mind is still trying to process what happened. But I think it's a very special day today.
Meeting His Holiness the Dalai Lama will always be a moment of inspiration. To be in the presence of someone who has such incredible compassion will be a moment that I will always look back on in my life, and for that I'm incredibly grateful to Geshe Lobsang Tenzin for all the hard work that went into making this opportunity possible so easily for all the Sangha members of Melna Jamse Buddhist Center. Also, big thanks to Sister Tenzin for making it so easy for everyone to make plans, and Tashila for always taking care of us during the trip. May we always have such incredible opportunity and continue practicing the Dharma. Thank you.
I would like to extend heartfelt thanks and deep appreciation to Sister Tenzin, Tashila and Venerable Geshe-la Lobsang Tenzin for providing us on a platter the opportunity to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The experience of meeting His Holiness was so surreal and it deeply moved something within me. It was a very indescribable experience that gave me deep joy and happiness and was very moving.
Thanks to Geshe Lobsang Tenzin, we are here to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and it was such a precious meeting. And this was rare because it's not always that we get an opportunity to do this. And thanks to Geshe-la's guidance to us, we were able to plan our visit because it can be an overwhelming experience. So today it was really blissful, and I was able to convey my wishes for His Holiness's long life, and it was a wonderful experience for me. Thank you so much.
I was actually pretty nervous going in to meet His Holiness, but as I came closer to him in the line, I felt very relaxed, and when I saw him I felt really good. I felt a really good energy coming from him, and after that I felt really peaceful. So it was really a great experience.
Today when I met him and saw him right in the eyes, and it was really a magical moment and very strange and emotional kind of a moment, seeing somebody like that. And I have to thank Menlai Jamse Foundation, the center, for making this possible. It is such a nice space to just be there and learn about Dharma, meditate, offer puja. I am really thankful. And thank you, Geshe-la, and thank you to all the people who volunteer at the Menlai Jamse Foundation. Thank you so much, everybody.
I was very overwhelmed actually. My heart was beating very fast. And it's a rather fortunate and honorable moment for me. I'm one of the newest members, so all this happening so quickly in the time of me becoming a member is a truly fortunate situation for me. The Menlai Jamse Ling in Bombay is like an oasis for all the Sangha members, and this trip especially has been planned so well, planned to the T, and more than that, we are just overwhelmed with gratitude with all the support and the beautiful planning that has taken place for this to happen. So I'm really thankful to the Sangha, the members, as well as Menlai Jamse Ling. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I feel truly blessed.
So many people are involved to let you come into this space and feel welcome and feel warm and feel the vibration of compassion. So I feel very blessed today to be in that aura of His Holiness. All in all, I hope to keep it in my heart and share it, obviously, through life and work.
The compassion His Holiness is radiating. I feel that we owe this responsibility as a center to radiate the same energy. From our center, we are trying our best to do that. Geshe-la is bringing Buddhist psychology teaching, meditation, mind training, all these courses to the center, and we are very grateful for that.
So it's been a great blessing to see the center come from the very beginning, to see Geshe-la's persistence with his mission to bring Dharma to anyone who is interested and really help our minds develop in the best capacity possible, living through the heart, living our Buddha nature truly. And I really feel that he believes that can be accessible to everyone. And people come to the center to meet Geshe-la, and he's very generous with his time and energy. If you have a chance to meet Geshe-la Lobsang Tenzin, you will see for yourself his gentle spirit, his gentle heart, and his incredible amount of patience. And I would even say grit. Grit because he has that passion and that perseverance for the work of the Dharma. And today when we met His Holiness, his thought was, let me follow your path. You have provided the way, Your Holiness. Let me only use your example to guide me in my work. So we are very much looking forward for a center in Mumbai, or in Maharashtra, something where anybody can come and experience Dharma or just come and spend time in that kind of environment. So people can warm their hearts and then go out in the world and be that to everyone in their arena. So very blessed for this experience in my life. Thank you so much.
Some members are unable to distant audience with the Holy Supporting Dalai Lama, but we wish they will get such an opportunity with the Holy Supporting Dalai Lama and next time. Thank you.